Welcome to this guide on searching for and exporting contacts or system users from the system. In this guide we will cover the following topics: searching for contacts, and how to view and export contacts from the system. Here's how it works. To find personnel that have been loaded onto the system, navigate to the Search option within the Contacts module. This will open the Contact Search page, which will display an overview of all personnel who have logged into the system within the last 30 days. This overview includes details such as contact type, either a contact or system user, their primary location and last login date and time, a telephone number, and their email address. At the top of the page is the contact filter. This enables you to search for specific contacts by entering their name, email address, phone number, or primary location. Once you have entered your desired search criteria into the fields, click the Filter button to refine the results displayed in the contact overview below. Alternatively, you can use the search bar located at the top of the Contacts tile. Enter any identifying details you know about the contact. The table below will filter in real time as you type, displaying only the contacts that match your search terms. For each contact listed on the Contact Search page, and depending on your access level permissions, you will find options on the right-hand side of each record to view, export, edit, or delete the contact. To view an individual's full contact card, select the corresponding View button next to their name. This will load a page that will provide an overview of the individual's contact information, access information, their availability history, and any linked groups and places. An individual's linked places define which location, dispatch center, or unit's information they have access to when logging into the system. When viewing a contact card, you have the ability to export their information to a PDF document by using the Export button, located in the top right-hand corner of the page. Or you can export a specific individual's information from the Contact Search page by selecting the corresponding Export button next to their name. The PDF export will display basic contact details as well as linked groups and places, any additional notes, and any linked certifications or qualifications. Alternatively, you can export a list of contacts from the Contact Search page, either by exporting to an Excel spreadsheet or to a PDF document. To export the list to Excel, locate and click the download arrow in the top right-hand corner of the Contacts tile. The Excel spreadsheet will display all contacts' basic contact information, their last login date, as well as their last profile update. To export the list to PDF, locate the printer icon just next to the download arrow. The PDF export will display basic contact details as well as linked groups and places, any additional notes, and any linked certifications or qualifications for every individual.